Welcome guys. How to promote your content effectively using AI tools. So, first of all, you need AI powered SEO, automated social media scheduling, and AI content repurposing, smart analytics, and lastly, AI generated thumbnails and captions. Let's go and break it down. First of all, the SEO optimization. You can use Ahrefs or Server SEO to find trending keywords and optimize your content for better visibility. Okay. Next, the social media scheduling. You can use platforms like Hotsuite, Buffer to schedule posts at optimal times for maximum engagement. Next, the AI content repurposing. Turn long-term form content into bite-sized pieces using tools like ChatGPT or Canva, which we're gonna come back to later for social media, blogs, or emails. As for analytics, you can use AI tools like Google Analytics or HubSpot to track performance and adjust strategies based on real time insights. Lastly, AI generated thumbnails and captions. You can use apps like Canva or Opus Clip can create eye-catching visuals and captions tailored to your audience. You can also, as we said before, we're gonna come back to the Canva thing. You can use blogs template by searching right here, blogs at the top, right? And you're gonna find multiple templates that you can use for your content. Start using AI today to boost your content reach effortlessly. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.